Or what's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy VonSquad back again with yet another video. As you can see by the title of this video. Okay, so pretty much what we're going to be doing. Well, let me start off by doing this. So I want to start off by saying shout out to MRT, and today's video has been brought to you and sponsored by MRT, as you can tell by the background. And yes, it's finally going down, you guys. I know you guys been waiting on this, and I've been saying this, but she's finally going to get her voice today. So man, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to hear it. And once you hear this exhaust, you guys are going to want it too. But look at her, y'all. And then we're going to get some stock revs too before we even get her on the lift and everything. But they shocked me when I first learned about MRT. They make an exhaust for a lot of cars that I didn't even know about. So you guys just got to check it out. So stay tuned, you guys. Right now, we're about to get the stock revs right now of how it sounds right now, currently. Stock exhaust. Alright, you guys, see, that was the stock exhaust. You can barely even hear anything, you guys. Like, we gotta get that changed ASAP. Come on now, she looked way too aggressive to be sounding like nothing, you know. And we got bigger news coming soon. Those gotta go. But anyway, that's for a whole nother video. But as you can see by the MRT merch, yes sir, yes sir. Shout out to MRT, man, for this video. Man, I cannot wait to get into this video and get the exhaust installed for you guys and let you guys just hear it. This is gonna be insane, you guys. A stock suitcase, you guys. As everybody call it in the group, it's the suitcase. It's coming down, you guys. Coming down. She's finally gonna sound good, you guys. She's finally gonna sound good. Now that we got a proper exhaust system now, not just no stock stuff. Our baby is actually gonna have some noise. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, you guys. So before we hear it and anything, they're still finishing up. But however, if you guys want this exhaust, go to @shop MRT and then type in the Ford Fusion. But I also have all the links below in the description below. That way, if you want to purchase this system, you can. And you can use my promo code VonSquad10 to save a little bit extra cash, man. And this system, look, come on now. You guys have seen a whole video, like, bro, you gotta get one of these things. These things look gorgeous, you guys. And get them now, because they're flying off the shelves, man. They're flying off the shelves. You gotta get one of these things. The welds and everything just look gorgeous. Oh yeah, since everybody like to do like a comparison, a weight comparison, I wish I would have brought like a scale or something to see how heavy this thing is, but golly, you guys, I gotta flex the whole muscle. You see that? I ain't got much, but I gotta flex the whole thing to lift this thing. Golly. So definitely some weight sevens on this end. Definitely some weight sevens. That's why we call it the suitcase in the group. Alright, you guys, she's coming down right now. She's coming down, you guys. Alright, actually we're going to switch to the GoPro to get better like audio, because the camera don't really pick it up that well, so we're going to switch to the GoPro. Way better, my boy, way better. Whoosh. Let's go. Don't she look better, you guys? Look at that. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna record actually with both, so let's see which one picks up the better quality audio. First sound clip, start up. Ooh, you already hear that beat song. I already hear that. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Finally. Let's go. That boy sounded right. One more time. That's good. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. That boy sounding right. One more time. Yeah. That's good. It's been a minute. We got all the other mods. Now this is the last performance mod, you guys. She sounds amazing. Can't wait to get her on the freeway. Stock exhaust. MRT. You guys, I didn't want to go too loud at all because this is gonna be my daily, and I'm gonna be driving this thing all the time. So I don't want to have a super loud exhaust to where I can hear it in the cabin at all or anything. So this is perfect for me, guys. I just want a little bit more tone out of it, so when I'm getting on it I can actually hear something instead of just induction. Oh. Now guys, the only thing that we're missing here now is the meaty fitment. That's gonna be, I ain't gonna tell y'all too much. I can't tell y'all too much. Y'all just gotta stay tuned to the vlog, man. So if you like what you're seeing right now and all the content thus far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we ain't doing nothing but going up, bro. Like CJ32 said, we ain't doing nothing but going up. We ain't doing nothing but going up. Bro, I can't wait to get this thing out on the road.
Just put your side in first, and then maybe you can go up front and kind of feed it through.
Dang, I didn't even think it was that long.
I didn't either. I wonder I can't get no noise out of it.
At all. I'm like, bro, I need something.
Okay.
So you guys know, it will fit in the trunk, but you gotta let down the seats. It's a big hefty thing, man. Come on, Ford, why y'all do this to us, man? We got a Sport for a reason to hear, I mean, the V6 twin turbo. Come on now, why y'all give us this suitcase of a muffler, bro? Come on now, what y'all doing? Forget all them regulations or whatever, forget all that. Come on, Ford. Come on, man. It's alright, it's alright. We got that MRT for that. Shop MRT. Alright, you guys, you seen the whole video, you seen how they package up the video. Sorry for the wind noise, but you see how they package up your exhaust that you guys are ordering. And I just want to give you guys a huge thank you from me and MRT for buying the exhaust and using my code also to buy an exhaust system. Come on, you guys. Just stay tuned, bro, because this build is not over. This build is nowhere near over. We still got a lot more things to do to this car. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And we're gonna bring y'all steady content, man. I'm trying my best with work. Work is a lot right now, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna still try to bring content the best I can. Like, I took off today in order to bring you guys this content because I just want to main focus on me and my channel, you guys. So, because I ain't say I'm trying to be up there, because I don't really care. I just want to modify my car and just have my audience enjoy what I do, you guys. And I just want to do this for a living instead of doing manual labor and stuff. I just want to get on here, turn the camera on, and just go about my business and stuff like this every day. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop talking. Like I said, they got a lot of holiday specials coming on, so stay tuned in November. Crazy deals he was telling me about. So just stay tuned, you guys. They got some crazy deals. Their Instagram is all this exhaust system. All that will be in the description below. So make sure you click down in the description below if you're interested. And like I said, they make way more exhaust than just for the Fusions. They make it for the Camaros, the Chargers, all that. So just click the link below, you guys. And also, if you want to go check out some more systems that they all got, go on their Instagram. Go to Shop MRT on their Instagram. They got a full list. And also, if you have a Bronco, they make exhaust for the Bronco too. I know, right? So go check it out. And they make like hood struts and all that too. So, and they hydro dip stuff. So go to Shop MRT on Instagram, and I'm gonna have their website. I think it's MRT Performance exhaust or whatever. But I'll have it in the description below. So thank you guys for watching another video at VonSquad. Your boy Von Vlogs is out with another banger. And don't ever forget, trust God, never lose faith, because he'll never lose faith trusting you. Peace.